Hey everyone, Chef Dan here, and today we're going to be using our KitchenAid Gas Cooktop to make a vegetable frittata. This vegetable frittata is going to be perfect for spring. Great for Easter brunch, great for those breakfast, lazy weekend breakfast, all that good stuff. Follow along, it's going to be easy and delicious. We're keeping things fresh and simple. Eggs, milk, asparagus, cherry tomatoes, spinach, and feta cheese. One of my favorite things about gas cooking is how you can dial exactly to the heat that you need, and we're going to need that with this recipe. Start by whisking together 6 eggs, a quarter cup of milk, salt, and pepper. This creates a smooth, airy base that helps keep the frittata light and tender. With gas, we can see exactly what kind of heat's heating the pan. We're going to add a little olive oil and butter, and then sauté the asparagus, cherry tomatoes, and spinach for about 2 minutes, just until they're tender and vibrant. Pour the egg mixture right over the vegetables. Give it a little stir and finish with crumbled feta. That feta adds a great salty bite that balances the fresh veggies. I love the controllability of gas. I know exactly how much heat's going to the pan. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. Now we move it into our oven at convection 375 degrees for about 10 minutes. This finishes the frittata gently and evenly from top to bottom. Light, fluffy, and full of fresh spring flavor. Precise gas cooking and even oven that makes all the difference. How easy was that? We did it on our gas KitchenAid cooktop. We put it in our KitchenAid oven. Took about 20 minutes. It's perfect for your brunch. It's perfect for your holiday meals. Whatever you want, even a healthy evening. Whatever you're looking for, it's fantastic. Thank you so much for following along. Have a great day.